In today's video,
Frostbite, 1-minute game changer.
What we're going to look at today is cutting into this hill so we can extend this patio to the right for a fireplace. Most people have a hard time doing this kind of thing, but it's actually really simple and just takes a couple clicks. If we get a retaining wall, hold shift as we move so it goes on a 90-degree angle, come back down to this side here, right click to finish our wall. You can see that it cuts into the hill but doesn't do what we want. We want everything in front of the hill to be flat. So if we scroll down on the right hand side, cut terrain, you'll notice that it cuts the terrain behind it, which is backwards for what we want to do. So if we go below cut terrain and do reverse cut terrain, it's going to cut everything in front of it, but there's a little hump in the middle. If we go down to cut taper and go to 100%, it's going to make that completely flat. To adjust the heights of the walls, if we go to edit points, click and then raise the point to where we need it to be, we can adjust the heights of each point of the wall. You can also add more points and do more elevation changes or steps throughout to step down the wall if your material doesn't cut on an angle like this. But just like that, we've cut into the side of the wall and we can add a flat patio and anything that we want to do to complete the design.
Frostbite, 1-minute game changer.